We'll start with the Omkaram. Sairam students. So I am starting with the presentation, and in that we will first do the revision that what are the glands, that what are the different hormones secreted by the thyroid, parathyroid. So you can just open your notebook, put today's date, and we'll try to revise first the previous, and then we will continue with the next glands which are left. 8 students have joined. So can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So we'll start with the little revision, then we'll cover up the pineal gland. Okay, and keep responding so that I understand. I hope there will be no disconnection today. So thyroid gland, I want someone to tell me what is the location of the thyroid gland. Devanshi will tell me quickly. Devanshi, can you hear me, Devanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha? Devanshi is speaking now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो जल्दी से बोलो कि what is the location of the thyroid gland.
Location of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is located in neck,
हाँ
inferior to the larynx and anterior and lateral to the trachea.
trachea. Okay, and one very important thing, remember that it is the largest endocrine gland and the weight of it is 20 grams. Now what is the hormone which is secreted by the thyroid gland? Say quickly.
And they secrete three hormones, T3, T4, and calcitonin.
Okay, correct. So what is the function of the calcitonin? Did you understand? Anyone? Calcitonin, what is the function of the calcitonin? Did you all note down everything about the calcitonin?
Regulate the calcium balance of the body.
Ah, did we discuss about this calcitonin? Speak up. Neha, did we complete the... Okay, so everyone you can write down quickly calcitonin. It is the other hormone which is secreted by the thyroid gland, and which is the cells of the thyroid gland, that is the parafollicular cells of the thyroid gland. Okay, so we have discussed the internal structure of the thyroid gland, and you are knowing that it has the follicles, and the spaces between the follicles we find the parafollicular cells are there, and each follicle is covered by which cells? Neha, can you speak up? Each follicle is covered by...
Epithelial cells.
epithelial cells. ठीक है. So the follicular cells, the epithelial cells, they are secreting to T3 and T4 hormone. Okay, but the parafollicular cells, they are secreting another hormone, and that is known as the calcitonin. So you can note down everyone, and it is a peptide hormone, means a simple hormone only, and it contains how many amino acids? 32 amino acids. Okay, so just the 32 amino acids, they form a long peptide chain, and that makes up the calcitonin hormone. And the function of this calcitonin, try to remember from the name itself, that it is related to the calcium. Okay, and toner means helping in maintaining the tonicity. So it reduces the blood calcium level and opposes the effect of parathormone. Okay, and then this hormone will come to the parathormone, that is the parathyroid secretes. Okay, so this hormone prevents the bone resorption. It reduces the blood calcium level and it prevents the bone resorption. Bone resorption, remember that if more calcium will be needed and your diet is not providing the calcium to the body, so in such condition, remember the bones start dissolving. And then bone is made up of the calcium and phosphorus. So from the bone, the blood will get the calcium ions. So that process of dissolution of the bone, we call it as resorption. So secretion of the calcitonin, when it will be stimulated, so when the blood calcium level becomes high. इज इट क्लियर? तो हाई होगा तो सिक्रीशन किसका हो जाएगा? कैल्सिटोनिन का, एंड कैल्सिटोनिन विल मेंटेन दैट लेवल ऑफ द कैल्शियम इन द ब्लड, एंड बिकॉज इट इज हेल्पिंग इन मेंटेनिंग, कम हो जाएगा तो वो किसमें किसमें हेल्प करेगा? वो फर्दर रिजॉर्प्शन नहीं होने देगा. And plasma calcium level is maintained effectively by a balance between the activities of both the hormones, calcitonin, which is secreted by the thyroid, and parathormone, which is secreted by the parathyroid gland. So did you understand the thyroid gland, everything? Noted,
Yes.
everyone? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
remember about thyroid gland, what is the structure, what is the location, and what are the hormones which are secreted. So T3, T4, and calcitonin. And what the T3, T4 were doing, we have discussed. So I want now Devratman to quickly tell me the T3 and T4 functions.
Ma'am, they increase the metabolic rate and affect the
Uh-huh.
growth and development of the body.
Correct. Okay. So that way they are helping in growth and development, so physical growth also and the mental growth also. Okay. Now we come to the next. That was the, so before that parathyroid also try to see it. Parathyroid disorders where we have discussed. I just want you to revise the parathormone. Okay, so the hormone which is secreted by the parathyroid gland, we call it as the parathormone, which helps in regulating the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus. And what are its physiological effects? Did you all note down this parathormone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so hypocalcemia, so leading to the decline of calcium in the blood. Hyperphosphatemia means it is related to the phosphate ions when it will increase, and then hypocalciuria, that is the calcium and the that less secretion of the calcium, less maintenance of the calcium will be there. Okay, so this parathyroid also will take up now. I'll quickly take up the next gland, that is the pineal gland. So you all have started writing about the pineal gland or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now write down. So put today's date and write down this gland name, pineal gland. Okay, so here the heading is wrong. Write down pineal gland. So take up the spelling from here. This gland, it is a tiny gland, grayish red in color and hollow, cone shaped. So structure you write down, it is tiny, grayish red and hollow cone shaped gland. Ritu, understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the screen is visible, voice is audible now. So everyone, if
Yes,
any
ma'am.
problem, just tell. Okay. Now, what are the components of it? So the gland is made up of a special type of cells which are known as pinealocytes. So site word added means it is a cell. So cells of the pineal gland, we call it as pinealocytes. Then where is it located? So pineal gland is located dorsal side of the brain between the superior colliculi. So that is a chamber here inside present which is labeled here. So you can just remember dorsal side of the brain. It is present on the dorsal side of the brain. And the hormone which it secretes, it is known as melatonin. Noted, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Melatonin. So the name of the hormone is melatonin. Now, what are the functions of this melatonin hormone? It's a very small gland, and we think that it is of not any significance. But remember, write down point wise. Number one, influences metabolism. Influences metabolism. So the metabolism of all your carbohydrates, fats, proteins, all metabolic reactions are influenced by the melatonin. Second, write down pigmentation. Pigmentation. Sorry. So pigmentation, when we say, so we it is uh, telling us that the secretion of the melanin pigment will be less or more. That will be controlled by the hormone melatonin. That's why the name is given. This melatonin, the word is coming from the melanin. Okay, so it is toning up the pigment melanin. So we call it as melatonin. Are you understanding, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you will not forget this role of the melatonin that is helping in regulating the pigmentation. And which pigment do we have?
Melanin.
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 And what is the role of the melanin?
To provide
Pigmentation
color
of
to the body.
It imparts the color to the skin, hairs, and the eyes. Okay, and remember, color of the skin is very, very important. Okay, it protects the inner cells from the sunlight. इसलिए आपको पता है जैसे ही we are working in the sun for a long time, so there is tanning of the skin. What is the tanning? That means more secretion of the melanin will be there. और जैसे ही ज़्यादा secretion melanin का होता है तो अंदर के cells अपनी sunlight से protected हो जाते हैं. So that is a defense mechanism. So tanning of the skin is a good sign. Is it clear? Because it is protecting the tanning, is protecting the other tissues from getting damaged. So melanin pigment is helping in that process. So that's why pigmentation regulation. Remember, it is done by the hormone melatonin. Now the third important function, that is, it is regulating the menstrual cycle. Regulates the menstrual cycle. Written, everyone.
yes, ma'am.
Next, write down. Next, write down. It helps in developing the defense capability. It helps in developing the defense capability. Which number you got this role?
Fourth.
Are you numbering
Fourth.
fourth one? Now write down the fifth one. It regulates the 24-hour rhythm of our body. It regulates the 24-hour, we call it as diurnal rhythm of our body. It regulates the 24-hour, and put it in bracket. Can you see here in this on that screen
Yes,
where
ma'am.
my
Yes,
cursor is moving?
yes, ma'am.
So diurnal rhythm of our body. Diurnal rhythm of our body. So this is this rhythm, the diurnal cycle, which the figure is showing. That 12 noon and then the midnight is given. Then you find the best coordination, fastest reaction time. When does it occur? Okay, so that is why, remember, according to this diurnal rhythm of our body, we should uh, make our timetable of eating, sleeping, resting. Are you getting, everyone? And if you are disturbing this cycle, सोने का time, ideal time, what is it, children? To go to sleep.
10 p.m.
10 p.m. Okay, by that time. So why do we consider? Do you all know why we are considering that time as the best time, and what time we should wake up? Now try
6
to
or
see
7.
here. If हाँ
Ma'am,
हमें खाना खाना चाहिए किस समय? ब्रेकफास्ट हमको इतने समय ले चाहिए, क्यों ले लेना चाहिए? तो try to see from here. This is 6 o'clock. It is showing. Okay, so sharpest rise in blood pressure is there at 6:45. Melatonin secretion stops at 7:30. Okay, the bowel movement is likely 8:30. So that's why it is said that early morning you should rise up and you should free yourself from all these things, activities. Okay, and then highest testosterone secretion is 9 o'clock and high alertness starts at 10 o'clock. Okay, तो आपका स्कूल टाइमिंग जो है हाई अलर्टनेस वाला बेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन देखो इस समय तक रहता है. बेस्ट द फास्टेस्ट रिएक्शन टाइम यू आर फाइंडिंग 15:30. So 15:30 मतलब कितने टाइम?
Ma'am,
24 hour time.
your
Convert it to
voice
12
is
hour time.
flickering.
ma'am, your voice is not clearly audible.
Yes, ma'am, it's flickering.
अच्छा, voice is going.
Yes,
Oh
ma'am.
God, now फिर से disconnect.
Ma'am.
Are you getting now?
Yes,
Still
Yes,
not
ma'am.
ma'am. It's now
Yes,
audible.
ma'am. It's
audible. Okay, मतलब बीच बीच में दिक्कत आ रही है. Okay, so I was telling about this rhythm of our body. Try to understand that we have a definite rhythm of our body. आप अपने आप naturally you find that when your time comes of 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, if you are in habit of sleeping 10 o'clock, तो आप कुछ भी कर रहे होंगे 10 o'clock नींद आने लगती है. Morning में if you are in the habit of getting up 6 o'clock, तो automatically what will happen? 6 o'clock your sleep your it will break. ओके, तो वो जागना आप जाग ही जाते हैं. ओके, वेदर यू गेट अप फ्रॉम द बेड और नॉट, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. ओके, सो दिस ओनली वी कॉल इट एज 24-hour diurnal rhythm of our body. Are you understanding this?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is
Yes,
audible
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, so I was telling you that how the alertness best coordination ये पूरा बॉडी में अपने जो फंक्शंस होते हैं टाइम के हिसाब से होते रहते. फास्टेस्ट रिएक्शन टाइम दे आर शोइंग 15:30. सो व्हाट विल बी द 15:30? व्हाट टाइम यू कैन टेल मी? 12 आवर टाइम अगर अपन ले तो
3:30.
करेक्ट. ओके, एंड देन 14:30 पे बेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन दिखा रहे हैं. तो अपन का स्कूल टाइमिंग देखो उसी हिसाब से रखा जाता है जब हमारा बॉडी का वर्किंग आवर्स आर दीज ओनली. ओके, फ्रॉम 8:30 टिल द 17. ओके, एंड देन 18 दैट वे दे हैव गिवन. 18:30 के बाद बीपी देखो बढ़ता हाई रहता है उस समय. हाईएस्ट बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज द मेलाटोनिन सिक्रीशन स्टार्ट कब हो रहा है देखो 21. व्हाट इज द 21 टाइम? What is it?
9
Nine
9
o'clock.
p.m.
9
9 o'clock.
o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay. So I hope you got an idea that what is the diurnal rhythm of our body. This is all controlled by the hormone melatonin. So we will take up the next gland. Write down thymus. Did we complete the thymus?
No, ma'am.
So write down thymus gland. Take up so that we can complete today adrenal gland also. So thymus gland, it is pinkish pyramidal gland. Pinkish pyramidal gland, and it is bilobed, slightly flattened. And what is the location? So try to see in the picture also. It is below the thyroid gland and in front of the heart and aorta. Write down below the thyroid gland, in front of the heart and aorta. In front of the heart and aorta. So this is also bilobed. And then write down that it is stimulated by the anterior pituitary and the thyroid gland. Noted? Can you
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
me? Okay. and its action or function is decreased by gonads and adrenal cortex. Now, very important thing you remember that the lifespan of this thymus, it is degenerating. Okay, means जैसे जैसे age होती जाती है, means with the aging, the size of the thymus gland goes on reducing, and that is why you find that in the old age the immune response is less. Immunity gets reduced as the person ages. So why does it happen? Because the thymus gland goes on degenerating, and thymus gland is very very important, children, because it helps in developing the immunity. The type of lymphocytes mature and differentiate in thymus gland. ओके, सारे WBC हमारे बनते कहाँ पर हैं? You know what, where the blood is formed? Where the blood is
Bone
formed?
marrow.
Bone marrow. Very good. So the blood is formed in the bone marrow, and when you say that blood is formed in the bone marrow, matlab WBC, RBC, platelets, everything, all the three cells will be formed there. But remember, and WBC is one type of the WBC is lymphocyte. Are you remembering we did in the blood circulatory system the blood composition?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो lymphocytes हमारे दो तरह के होते हैं, B cells and T cells. Discussed it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So in that T cells are those, T lymphocytes are those which will be migrating to the thymus gland for their differentiation. Okay, अगर thymus degenerate होने लगेगा तो T lymphocytes का maturation differentiation नहीं हो पाएगा, and that way the immunity will go on reducing. Okay, so resistance part कम होता जाता है with the age. So write down the function of the hormone. The hormone which is produced by thymus is thymosin. Note it fast. Thymus secretes thymosin. Now write down its function. It plays a major role in the differentiation of T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes which provide cell-mediated immunity. Which provides cell-mediated immunity. Noted?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Thymosin plays a major role in the differentiation of T lymphocytes. Voice is better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Differentiation of T lymphocytes which provide cell-mediated immunity. Cell-mediated immunity. So since the cells are fighting with the pathogen, so you are calling it a cell-mediated immunity. Okay, and the other one, the next role write down that thymosin also promotes production of antibodies. It also promotes production of antibodies. Antibodies. And you know the antibodies will go where? In the blood where the antibodies are present.
White
Anyone?
blood cells.
Again.
WBC.
No, WBCs तो will produce it. फिर वो बन के कहाँ पहुँचने वाला है?
Plasma.
प्लाज्मा. हाँ, रिमेम्बर एंटीबॉडीज आर प्रेजेंट इन प्लाज्मा. इसीलिए कोई भी डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट करते, ब्लड सैंपल लेते हैं, तो they pick up the plasma because antibodies are present in the plasma and they find out which type of the antibodies are present, which are against which pathogen. Okay, so antibodies come up in the plasma. So that type of the immunity we call it as humoral immunity. Okay, so to provide humoral immunity. So both the types of the immunity is cell-mediated immunity, and humoral immunity is affected by the thymosin, which is secreted by the thymus gland. Is it very clear to you all, children? So indirect question can be asked that why the immunity decreases with the age. So why the immunity decreases with the age, Devratna? Devratna, are you there? Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Can you speak up?
Ma'am, because it leads to
Huh?
the differentiation of the T lymphocytes, so the immunity decreases with the age.
No, no. Further, anyone else who can say?
Ma'am, because the secretion of the thymosin decreases
And
as
why it decreases?
ma'am, because of the lifespan of the thymus gland.
So what you have to say?
The size of thymus gland decreases.
Because of the degeneration of the thymus gland with the age. What you'll say? Because
Degeneration of thymus
yeah,
gland.
so the size will be reducing. Okay, degeneration of the thymus gland will take place with the age, and that's why the size of the thymus will decrease, and thus the secretion of thymosin will decrease. Okay, and thymosin plays an important role in the differentiation. So that differentiation of the T lymphocytes will not occur. So cell mediated immunity will be reduced, and it also helps in production of antibodies, so that antibodies production will also reduce, so it will reduce the humoral immunity. So since both the immunity will be affected, cell mediated and humoral immunity, so that's why the resistance power in the old age
People.
Decreases.
decrease
Decrease.
decreases. So is the question clear and my answer clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, because indirect questions will be asked. ऐसा नहीं कि सीधा सीधा रोल पूछते नहीं है. Okay, so now we'll take up the next thing. So recap is there. So all that we have discussed. Okay, so I'll take up the next gland. Okay, I'll have to again sign in. Just a minute. So write down the next gland, that is adrenal gland. Well, note down adrenal gland. So what is the location of the adrenal gland? Anyone?
Above the
Present
kidneys.
above the kidney.
They are present above the kidneys. Okay, and they are in pairs. So write down adrenal present above the kidneys and are present in pairs. And each of the adrenal gland is differentiated into two regions. What are those two regions? Outer, outer
cortex.
cortex and inner
Medulla.
Medulla.
medulla. हाँ, so you have to remember ये अपन उसमें करते थे just the same thing. Cortex and medulla. So now we'll see one by one that what is the role of the adrenal gland. Are you remembering what we discussed about this adrenal gland in 10th class? Which hormone? And what was its role? We did it very
Ma'am,
brief. Huh?
your voice is
Ma'am, your voice is declining.
Acha, again the voice is going. Screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now voice
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
not audible. Okay. No
Yes,
one
ma'am.
can hear.
Ma'am, it's audible. I can
Ma'am, I
hear.
can hear you.
Acha, Neha is able to hear, but some are not able to hear. Okay. So now write down what is the location of the adrenal gland. It is present at the anterior part of the kidney. It is present at the anterior part of the kidney. So can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then now what is the shape of it? So write down it is triangular in shape, and it is just like forming a cap-like structure on the kidney, flattened and wrinkled. Write down flattened and wrinkled. And what is the weight of this gland? It is 3.5 to 4.5 gram, and it is enclosed inside a connective tissue. The covering of the adrenal gland is made up of the connective tissue. Noted, everyone?
Ma'am, please 1 minute.
Okay. Done with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now try to see this internal structure of the gland. Adrenal gland, the covering, we call it as a capsule, which is made up of the connective tissue. Then the outer part of it is known as the cortex, and the inner part is known as the medulla. Now, the cortex part you find is differentiated into three different distinct regions. That is, can you see here? This one is the pink one is the, what is it?
Medulla.
And
Medulla.
this surrounding part of it is the
Cortex.
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 cortex part. Okay, but this inner part, the medulla, is differentiated into three distinct regions. That is zona glomerulosa, then fasciculata, and reticularis. So that if you wish, you can write down, but not given in that much detail in textbook, children. Okay, so cortex and medulla, that much is sufficient, and those who want, they can note down. Glomerulosa. Noting?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so noted then. Zona, glomerulosa, fasciculata, ZZ you write, and then you can later complete it. So now what is the difference between the medulla part and the cortex part? Remember, on the basis of the location, so it is your medulla is located centrally, but externally you find the cortex is there. It is a soft region and this is a firm region. And the color yellowish pink in color, the cortex or the outer part, but the middle part or the inner part, central part, is reddish brown in color. Okay, and this your medulla part is made up of ectoderm, but the cortex part is made up of mesoderm. Okay, so when you talk about the embryonic origin, so out of those three germ layers, medulla is formed from the ectoderm, and the cortex is formed from the mesoderm. So we call it ectodermal in origin and mesodermal in origin, and it is not differentiated. Now see, there is a two slides are telling something else. You all do the correction, children. Here it is showing that medulla is divided into three. But actually, what part is divided into three? In the figure,
Cortex.
cortex. So just correct it. Correct it. That the cortex is divided into three parts: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. Did you correct it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone corrected now? Okay, so that way we find that the outer part is differentiated into the subregions. Then the hormones, what are the hormones secreted by the medulla? Write it down. Adrenaline, and the other one is noradrenaline. And adrenaline is also called epinephrine. What is the other name for adrenaline?
Epinephrine.
Epinephrine. So are you remembering what we did in 10th? Which one we studied in 10th?
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline.
एड्रीनालिन, हाँ, ये इतने सारे हैं, इनमें से सिर्फ अपन ने एक पढ़ा था. Okay, that was adrenaline. The other one write down noradrenaline. So these two hormones are secreted by which part of the adrenal gland?
Medulla.
Medulla.
Huh. And the cortex part of the adrenal gland, we call it adrenal cortex. It secretes three different groups of the hormones. ये groups है, याद रखना. Number one, mineralocorticoids. Number two, glucocorticoids. And number three, sex corticoids. So we'll take up one by one each hormone and its role. Adrenaline, are you remembering what it was doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it normals the breathing rate.
Again.
Ma'am, it normals the breathing rate and high
Correct.
blood
So, but what was it called? Commonly हम क्या
Stress.
बोलते?
stress
Stress.
hormone.
So, and the other one more name we were calling it. What? Anyone? Devanshi? Devanshi,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have not studied its function.
we have not done it.
No, ma'am.
This hormone name is not there. And in the book also it was given very nicely about the adrenal and what it does. It helps in coping up with the stress conditions. तो अपन flight या fight hormone बोलते थे. क्या बोलते थे? Neha, Rumisha, are you remembering?
Fight or flight hormone.
Fight or flight. And I showed you these slides also. तो या तो वो अपन को फाइट करने में हेल्प करता है, और अगर हम फाइट करने के लायक नहीं, अब शेर आ गया सामने, तो यू विल नॉट फाइट. व्हाट you'll do?
Flight.
You'll fly away from, you'll naturally fly away from that place. Okay, तो उस तरह से ये करने का, तो it helps in regulating the blood pressure also, breathing rate also, heartbeat, everything. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग फिर आगे का पढ़ते हैं. Mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids and sex corticoids. So how many different hormones secreted by adrenal cortex?
3.
3.
Adrenal cortex, name it quickly. Devanshi, name it.
Mineralocorticoid. Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, sex corticoid.
Okay, now we'll take up the next thing, that is the stimulated by the nerve impulse. Adrenal medulla कैसे stimulate होता है? By the nerve impulse. Okay, and through sympathetic nerve fibers. And this gets stimulated by the adrenocorticotropic hormone. So you are remembering this hormone is secreted by ACTH is secreted by. सब भूल जाते हो, रिवाइज नहीं करते हो तो सब भूल जाते हो. एनीवन? देवव्रत, ACTH secreted by.
Ma'am, adrenal cortex.
Adrenal cortex is not secreted adrenocorticotropic
Pituitary gland.
Pituitary.
Gland.
Yes, gland. Very good. थोड़ा सा जल्दी पेजेस टर्न करके देख लिया करो if I put up any question. Okay, so what is the significance of it? So damage to this part does not cause the death, and it is essential for the survival. Okay, so now we'll take up each hormone. Adrenal cortex releases these hormones. So the glucocorticoids, what are the glucocorticoids? The example is cortisol. So write down glucocorticoid which is secreted, it is a cortisol. And glucocorticoid या इसका वर्ड सिर्फ मीनिंग समझने की कोशिश करना है. कॉर्टिकॉइड वर्ड आ गया क्योंकि कॉर्टेक्स सिक्रीट कर रहा है. ग्लूको वर्ड इज रिलेटेड टू ग्लूकोज. Okay, so this is the hormone which is helping in the metabolism of the glucose or the carbohydrates. Is it clear to everyone? नेम
Yes.
को कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे and how you'll understand its role. Corticoid word, why you have added?
Because of cortex.
Because
जल्दी
it is
बोलो.
released by the cortex.
हाँ, तो आपको कॉर्टिकॉइड आया तो आपको कुछ सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, समझ में आ ही जाता है हमको कि these are secreted by the adrenal cortex. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
clear or not? हाँ, तो अब नाम उसके साथ में क्या जोड़ दिया हमने, ग्लूकोज. सो दैट इज हेल्पिंग इन द मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ग्लूकोज से वर्ड से रिलेट करना है. एंड मिनरलोकॉर्टिकॉइड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट, so it is that hormone secreted, corticoid है तो secreted by cortex and helping in the minerals regulation. Okay, so the hormone is aldosterone. What is the hormone which is coming in this category?
Aldosterone.
Aldosterone. Is it clear to you all? Okay, and
Yes,
sex
ma'am.
hormone, when you talk to you, only we have one sex hormone, that is the testosterone. Okay, and then epinephrine or norepinephrine, it is the medullary hormone. So now try to see the glucocorticoid cortisol, what it will do, increase the blood glucose level. So write down the cortisol role is what? Increase blood glucose level by gluconeogenesis and decrease glucose utilization of tissues. Noting everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. See, this all is given very nicely in your chapter also, in your textbook also. Okay. So after you understand here and you note here, na, try to read it there also. And if you don't understand, then ask. Okay. So the regulation of the glucose, it will be increasing the blood glucose level. कैसे होगा? Gluconeogenesis. Okay, gluconeogenesis. Neo word here meaning नया, genesis means synthesis. तो ग्लूकोज का सिंथेसिस करके वो ब्लड में दे देगा तो ग्लूकोज का लेवल बढ़ जाएगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड?
Yes, ma'am.
ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, और अगर ब्लड में ग्लूकोज लेवल बढ़ गया है तो फिर वो डिक्रीज करेगा. कैसे डिक्रीज करेगा? दैट ग्लूकोज विच इज एक्सेस विल बी यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द टिश्यूज. इट विल बी,
Utilized by the tissues.
हाँ, तो फिर ब्लड से वो the role is anti-inflammatory action. Inflammation means the redness and the swelling. Okay, तो inflammation नहीं होने देगा वो. Followed, it is anti-inflammatory in action. Now we come to the second hormone. What is that second hormone?
Mineralocorticoids.
हाँ. What is the example of that? Which hormone comes in mineralocorticoid? Aldosterone. What is
Aldosterone.
it? हाँ. So I told you, you have to remember the mineral word. So metabolism of sodium and potassium will be helped by this hormone. It promotes the sodium resorption from the glomerular filtrate. Are you getting resorption word here meaning? What? Reabsorption. Okay. Helps in stress tolerance. Aldosterone is helping in stress tolerance. So these three functions are done by the aldosterone, which is a mineralocorticoid, which is a fast.
Ma'am, actually your voice is again
So
flickering.
remember, acha, again it is going. Sometimes it's very clear, sometimes it's good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Now it is clear. Okay, okay. So remember these things also, that zona fasciculata and reticularis will secrete the glucocorticoids and glomerulosa is secreting the mineralocorticoid. तो अब इसको भी आप ध्यान रख सकते हैं कि ग्लोमेरुलस वर्ड से रिलेट करके याद रखिएगा. Okay, minerals present in the blood or the plasma, they are all regulated by the reabsorption process which is going on in the secretory tubule of the nephron. Secretory tubule of the
Nephron.
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 ओके, तो ये वर्ड से आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख सकते हो कि मेडुलोकॉर्टिकॉइड which cells or which region will produce. Okay, now shall I take up the next slide?
Ma'am, these hormones are from cortex part, na?
या अब ये डाउट नहीं रखना बिल्कुल, क्योंकि कॉर्टिकॉइड वर्ड जुड़ा है. Are you getting
Ma'am,
Monisha?
because on the slide it is written hormones of medulla and their functions.
करेक्ट. This stop. हाँ, so don't see that. Okay,
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
गलत है हेडिंग मत. This heading is wrong. Okay, you remember glucocorticoid, तो corticoids are secreted by the cortex only. Okay, कई 2-3 स्लाइड हो गई जिसमें हेडिंग रॉन्ग मिल रहा है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
So you remember that way. It is secreted by cortex. Mineralocorticoid also secreted by cortex. Everyone noted?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we come to the next one. That is, अब ये यहाँ पर गड़बड़ किया है देखो. Isn't it? हाँ, ये सही है, cortex है, उधर पर medulla कर दिया. नहीं, but ये फिर से गड़बड़ है. Epinephrine and this will be secreted by the
Medulla.
medulla. Okay. Medulla. So what is it? Adrenaline or epinephrine, noradrenaline or norepinephrine. What is the role of it? So write down, epinephrine will do what? Vasoconstriction in viscera and skin. Now vasoconstriction word means the constriction of the blood vessels. Okay, vaso word related to the blood vessels. And constriction का मतलब क्या होना है? सिकुड़ना है. Okay, that is the meaning. It will contract. The blood vessels will contract in the viscera and skin. Now tell me, अगर viscera मतलब the visceral organs. What is the meaning of viscera? Students, quickly tell me what is the meaning of viscera?
Visceral organ.
Visceral organs. So remember, all your internal organs, जितना alimentary canal, your digestive system, respiratory system, that all comes under viscera. Okay, and they all are supplied with the blood vessels, and your skin is also supplied with the blood vessels. And when the blood circulation has to be increased, vasoconstriction will be there or vasodilation will be there. Two words remember, vasoconstriction and vasodilation. Dilate होना मतलब कि वो बढ़ना उसका डायमीटर. Okay, constrict होना मतलब diameter कम होना. Lumen will get reduced. Okay, so blood pressure will increase when the vasoconstriction will be there. So it will result in vasoconstriction.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Acha, meaning of vasoconstriction, how many have understood? Neha understood, Shravani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
vasoconstriction का meaning समझ में आ गया?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ritu will tell me what is the meaning of vasoconstriction.
Ma'am, contraction of the blood vessels.
Correct. Okay. And when you say viscera, मतलब all visceral organs में जाने वाले blood vessels. Okay, and skin supply which are supplied to the skin. Okay, and now the second function, write down, relaxes the smooth muscles of the digestive tract. These 4 functions are of the epinephrine. So write it one by one. Relaxes the smooth muscles of the digestive tract. Then relaxes the bronchi. Relaxes bronchi. So time is up. We'll finish up this only and then I'll end up my class. It's already 52. Then glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis, an increase in the carbohydrate metabolism and O2 consumption. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So take up quickly the norepinephrine also. Vasoconstriction most organs other than the heart. Then it inhibits the muscular contraction of the digestive tract, inhibits the muscular contraction of the digestive tract. Then it constricts the bronchi. And it has got very little effect on carbohydrate metabolism and O2 consumption. Noted?
No, ma'am, please wait.
Okay. So this way we have completed today with the adrenal gland also. Okay, so other glands will be starting in the next class. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll end up. Stop sharing. Okay. I'll take up your attendance once again. We will do Shanti part now. I'll stop the recording.